Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you letting hearing loss hold you back from enjoying life? My husband has been dealing with hearing loss and ringing in his ears for years. He's been using these ELEHEAR-Beyond Pro hearing aids for several weeks. And some of the things that he really likes about them are, first off, these are VocClear 2.0. These hearing aids have given him a premium sound experience. And he's noticed with that redefined speech clarity that there has been a significant decrease in loud ambient noises. And then, of course, not having that interference helps him to hear voices more clearly. So, my husband always has music or he's listening to podcasts or audiobooks, and he can do that directly from these hearing aids. That means that he doesn't have to switch it out for earbuds. They're engineered for music mode, but also with that, those other audio things that he listens to. And voices and other things around him are clarified while he's still listening to things. So this Bluetooth connection really keeps up with his life. This hearing aid has so many features to take advantage of. There's a hearing test that you can do to help really fine tune the settings. It also has real-time translation. And if you experience tinnitus like my husband does, there are different tinnitus settings. My husband likes that because he can choose the one that is perfect for helping him deal with that ringing on a constant basis. And this helps him to feel less annoyed and more able to cope with everyday life. My husband says these are so comfortable to wear, and that really helps to encourage him to wear them on a more consistent basis. They're receiver and canal, and we both appreciate how discreet they are. When I look at him from the side, I can't even tell that he's wearing a hearing aid. It's really only from the back that you can see it. My husband is so pleased that he can use these in any aspect of his life. It really has made things more enjoyable for him. We think you're going to love them too, and that's our point of view.